How to download and install Likee app. So if you want to download and install Likee application on your mobile device, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the Likee application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So as the first step, you need to open up Google Play Store. And you have to tap on the search bar of the upper section and search for Likee. Soon after searching, you will be easily able to see this application. You just can open up and you have to tap over install option over here. It will take a few time to load. You just have to wait for a while until it's downloading. And once you install it, you can log into your account, or if you don't have an account, then you can create one. And by doing that, you'll be able to explore to various videos of your interest in Likee. You can also create your own videos and share your interest with photos, videos, or text. Here are many more other features of Likee. You just can join and you can go for that. And few seconds later, you can see Likee application has been installed on my device. You just can go for open and go for the further process. So this is how you can download and install Likee app on your mobile device. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.